Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be my room tour, or like this flat tour kind of thing. So my bedroom, toilet, kitchen, that's what I'm going to show you. Yeah, so this is the tour for a student accommodation kind of in St Andrews. Some people might know this area as, like, I'm currently at, was it DRA, or the Day Russell apartment or 5 Park in St Andrews. So yeah, hope this helps for any new students who want to study at St Andrews and looking for accommodation. This is just an idea of what you could expect in accommodation in St Andrews. Before we get started, make sure you check out this video up here for my moving day, from how I moved from London to St Andrews, just the whole process of my experience moving like over. Even though like I'm local because I'm still in the UK, but it's just, why not? It's just another video, right? Just for entertainment, just enjoy. But yeah, make sure you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe. Let's get started. So this is the front of Dave Russell apartment or the DRA. And yeah, I will just head inside to show you what are the available or the shared faculties that we all use. As you can see, there's an Amazon lock at the front, so it might be easier just to use Amazon locker for your orders. So this entering this automatic door, and you have to be a student or like a staff member for security reasons. And yeah, at the entrance to the right, you can see there's like shared computers that you could work on with the local server. So you could go there for like studying and stuff, and there's a printer to print stuff off or like scan stuff. And here's, as you can see on the wall, that's the map of the whole apartment. And there's another Amazon locker there as well. So straight ahead there's like a commercial area with a bar on the right, and like ping pong or table tennis table over there, and like pool tables, and like a couple of couches to chill. It's like a lounging area. Here's more detail. This packaging to the room. Here's the room. Pretty standard. The radiator's on the right hand side. As like, I think it's well insulated because it doesn't get that cold. Just some curtains and like a cupboard. Full shelf for the cupboard to put your clothes, a massive mirror on the wall, and like a bed drawer, and like a desk, study desk with a lamp, I think. A bedside table with 3 drawers. Pretty decent. So I was a desk with like a couple of storage on the wall. That's the view from the window. For safety reasons, it doesn't open all the way because you know why, right? And also there's some extra storage at the bottom of the bed. Here's the bottom. Pretty clean, pretty standard. There's a sink, toilet and a shower. This is the water flow. Don't know why I'm showing this because it's pretty standard. This is like the kitchen and the living room area kind of thing. So there's 5 people sharing this kitchen. There's a cupboard on the wall and like worktop, with like some TV and safe area. This is like a lounge area as well, but it's just in your flat.
We also have a dishwasher. Here's the view from like one of the sofa. Now I'll be showing where the laundry room is. So this is the place where you do all of your washing and stuff. So let me just take you on a tour. When it's not raining, it looks really beautiful. And this apartment is always clean, like the area. So the laundry room is actually behind the accommodation building. So it's not bad. It's just that there's no entrance through the inside, so you had to always come outside and go all the way around. I think in here there's like 2 washing and 3 dryers. Yep.
Yeah, so the space isn't that bad, as you can see from the videos, right? Like there is more than enough space to do stuff, and it's just you by yourself. So for one person, it's not bad. Like I know it's small compared to like the people from America or Canada because the building there is way bigger, but in the UK, everything is small. So I think this is not bad compared to London. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and please consider subscribing. Bye.